video has been sponsored by King Maps 5 Guard and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we are going to install an advanced suicide script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Now open the file. Go to config.lua. From here, you can configure the weapon which you want to use. So I'll be keeping it on default for now. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. So let's give ourselves the weapon. So as you can see, I have the pistol over here. So let's take out the pistol and we have to type the command of suicide. If you press E, you will shoot, or if you want to cancel, you just need to press X. But now, if we try to shoot ourselves, it won't work because our weapon don't have any ammo in it. So let's try once. As you can see, it won't work. So let's reload our weapon. Now let's try one more time. Now press E to shoot ourselves. So as you can see over here, we just died by shooting ourselves. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.